Oh, they're too pink. Oh, they're too pink.
Something about the West Coast.
Shh, don't tell nobody.
Something about the West Coast. It makes me wanna ride. Something about...
What up, YouTube? Welcome back. Thanks for checking out your boy, The Wise Soul. I want to thank you guys again for coming back and checking out the video. Today, we're going to go ahead and talk about some things that's coming out this week. Mainly, the infrared 6's. Let's rewind it back to last week when we had the Air Max 90 off-white drops. We had the black one, and then we had the desert colorway dropping. So, I took an L on both of them. I didn't cop either one. I was in the draw, took L's, didn't get anything. L's all the time on the sneakers app. Never win, never got a W on that sneaker. Okay, I'm lying. I do catch some W's sometimes on the sneakers app. Then this past weekend, which yesterday, for most people, if you're watching this on Sunday, which is today, the day I'm recording, so it's Sunday. Yesterday we had the UNC 9s dropping. They're still sitting. They're sitting on the sneakers app. Go check your sneakers app right now. Go ahead. I'll wait.
A few moments later.
Still sitting at your stores, your Foot Lockers, your Champs, Foot Actions, wherever you go. Some of you guys have Hibbits. We don't have Hibbits out here. This week you got a lot of heat dropping. You have, on Valentine's Day, you actually have the Foamposite Florals. Friday, you actually have the Turbo Green. And Saturday, you have the Infrared 6's. You know, forget the Turbo Green, which I'm thinking I'm going to cop. At first, I wasn't. But we'll talk about that later this week. But right now, let's get into the video and talk about the main subject. Infrared 6's. Thumbnail. So here we go. The Infrared 6. I already got them. I got them early with the sneakers app release. I got lucky because, you know, I was actually in a meeting at work when they dropped. It was like 4 p.m. Pacific time. That's when they dropped. I copped. My boy copped. We were good. So here you go. Right, so I'm going to open them up. Take a quick look. Look, okay. A lot of YouTubers, they always go with the whole, I'm going to open them up so you guys can take a look for the first time before I take a look. Some of them actually do that. I could have lied and said, yeah, I did it. But I'm going to be honest with you. I opened them hoes up as soon as I got the box. So I've already done it. I'm just opening it up again in front of the camera. So, bam! The Infrared 6 2019. And as you can see right there, you got the Nike Air on the butt, on the booty cheeks, on the dump. That peach, whatever you want to call it, that's where the Nike Air is, and that's what we wanted to see. Be honest. This shoe is amazing. It's beautiful. I mean, I can't lie. I had the 2014 version, and I kept telling my friend, my boy, I was like, you know what? I don't even know if I'm going to go after the 2019 version just because my 2014 shoe was still clean. Pictures. And then I saw more pictures. And then I saw more pictures. And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to get it. I was like, you know what? I got to go ahead and grab them, take a shot, and I did, and I'm so happy I did. These are, I don't want to say I'm speechless, but I'm speechless. First things first, the infrared. That's probably the most talked about point of this shoe, besides the booty, which I talked about, is that infrared color. The 2014 version, a lot of people called it the Infa Pink. This is an infrared. This is definitely a redder version than it was in 2014. But the OGs, the original shoe that dropped, what was it, 91? It's probably more of a, the 2014 and 2019, if they had a baby together, that's what you would have had in 91. So they're both close. I mean, whether you like it or not, some people like the 2014 infrareds, some people didn't. I mean, it was like a whole big thing. Oh, they're too pink. Oh, they're too pink. Who cares? It's just Jordan. We loved it. We rocked it. We wore it. So you either like it or you don't. I'm going to just leave that alone. But back to this 2019 version. As you can already see, I don't even have the flash on. I just got the light coming in from the window. That 3M is hitting. And it's hitting hard. That's beautiful. That 3M is definitely popping on this shoe. Durabuck, new buck on this is made. It feels A1. Like, this is an A1 material shoe right here. No real flaws on this. The glue looks nice. One thing you'll notice when you get your shoe is when you open that box, you're gonna have this like strong smell to it. You're gonna definitely know this is a Jordan 6. The Retro Riz kid, smell test approved. He's definitely gonna smell test approve these. Like, to the shoe itself, You got the spoiler right there with the nice infrared. One thing people haven't really talked about, I haven't noticed people talking about lately, is actually the lace lock. The lace lock, if you look real close, you'll see the Nike on one side of the lace lock and the Jumpman on the other side. The 2014 version only had the Jumpman. It was on the back side of that one, it was blank. I might do a comparison video, I don't know. The 2014, there's a lot of comparison videos out there from the 2014 and the 2019. I don't know if we need another one, but I might drop them just to show you. You have a nice icy blue tint on the sole here. You got your infrared Jumpman on the bottom. It's like I said, it's an amazing shoe. I really don't know what else to really tell you guys about it. Like I said, the 3M hits hard. The material, it's super soft. Like, this Nubuck Durabuck is soft. Definitely treat these with either your Rejuvenator, your Crep. No sponsor here. Whichever one want to give me a call, one wants to give me a sponsorship, hit your boy up with the Y sole. We can use that. But definitely, again, treat your shoe and spray it. Man, this shoe is dope. Like, when you guys get your shoe, you're gonna want to wear this shoe instantly. I don't know when I'm gonna break these out, but I'm not gonna sit on these too long. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and break these out. I was actually looking forward to going ahead and doing a vlog, a mall vlog, going to cop these, just to see what the reaction was out there. I still might do that. I might try to double up, try to do a mall vlog on these also. Let me take a look at the inside of the shoe. You got the Nike Air in black with that infrared insole, which is definitely hitting. As you know, this shoe drops this upcoming Saturday, February the 16th, for a retail price of $200. Again, go ahead and get you one. This shoe is fire. It's amazing. I think you guys are going to be happy with this shoe. A lot of people are going to have these. It's really a GR release. We anticipate a lot of shoes being out there. So everybody, if you put in the legwork and you do your research and you go out there, enter your raffles, do your check-ins, you shouldn't have a problem hitting these on your Foot Locker, your Foot Action, your Champs, whatever device or store you're going to go to. You shouldn't have a hard time hitting on these. Again, it's going to be worth the money. It's an amazing shoe. You're going to be happy with the infrared. It's going to be dope. I already have a comparison photo on my Instagram. As you guys can see, the Instagram name is still already down here. You can actually take a look at it there where you can see the difference between the pink and the infrared from 2014. The funny thing about that, I actually took two photos. I used this camera here to take one photo and the iPhone. On the iPhone, the colors look really close, but they're not that close. I promise you on that. All right, so really quick, look. Infrared 2019, infrared 2014. 2019, 2014. 2019, 2014. Infra pink, infrared. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a thumbs up on the video. Also, go ahead and leave a comment. Are you grabbing the infrared 6's? As you just saw, I already got mine, but I might try to go out this weekend and grab another pair. We'll take a look. Thanks for joining your boy, the Wise Soul. Again, all my people, remain wise. As I'm sitting here editing the video, I forgot to say this. The goal for the year, the goal for the channel is to get 5,000 subs by the end of 2019. So right now we're at like, what, 20? So the goal right now is to get 5,000. So we're going to grind and do what we got to do. Post on social media. So tell a friend to watch the Wise Soul. Again, the goal is 5,000 subs by the end of the year. Now back to the video.